Hey everyone, have you seen those incredible Jesus hug videos taking over your social feeds? Today, I'm going to show you how to create one yourself in just a few clicks. With Edimakor's built-in AI video effects, you can get stunning, viral-ready videos without any complicated editing. Don't waste your time. Let's dive in. First things first, grab Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, check the link in the description below. Once it's installed, open it up, and we're good to go. Once you're in the program, click on New Project. In the left menu, look for AI Video, and then choose AI Effect. You'll see a huge library of AI video effect templates. They're all categorized, from interaction to AI dance, stylization, and more. These are all viral trends you've probably seen on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. For this tutorial, we're going to select the Grace of Jesus template under Interaction. Simply upload your photo, choose your desired video duration and resolution, and click Generate. And just like that, your AI Jesus hug video is ready to share.
If I got Jesus, I've got all.
But the fun doesn't stop there. Edimakor has tons of other effects you can try, including Kiss Your Love, High Five with my emoji twin, APT dance, Born to Barbie, Fantastic Mermaid, Paw Princess, Squid Game, and many other wonderful AI effects for you to try. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.